All right, good evening. Tonight we will be back to work on by AI, but before we get started with that, I do want to apologize for not uploading for like an entire month. I've been super busy getting by AI actually deployed and set up and all that fun stuff. But it is finally deployed, and if you want to check it out, the link will be in the description of this video. Please do, it would mean a lot. But anyways, getting back to it, we will be working on something kind of fancy, but not that fancy tonight. We're just going to add a delete account feature. Now, I realize that I kind of need to do this um, because why can I not move my screen? Oh, it's because when I focus, that would help. Uh, because I'm very sure that I'm breaking a few European Union laws by not providing that. It's not, by AI isn't a legal business yet, so I don't think I have to have that, but just so I'm not, in legal trouble, it would probably be best to avoid that. So, what we'll be doing is first starting on uh, the back end and adding a very simple delete account API thing. And then once we're done with that, we'll go to the front end and add a little uh, delete button to the settings page, and then add like 3 different modals and alerts to make sure that the user doesn't delete their account on accident. But yeah, so we're gonna start by finding the right view to plop this in. I might just make a completely new view, to be frank, because I don't think anything, yeah, anything else here is gonna be correct unless register view, maybe. I mean that. Where is our register view? Come to think of that, so that's a login. Cause I could just post it in. Yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna do? Go VSB, split this, and then hop over here, URLs for accounts. And then this is just going to turn into account management view. Which just sounds a little bit better and allows me to keep a slightly cleaner code base, which is always nice. Jump down to register view, delete that, replace it with account management view. Okay, so from here, just add a simple delete method. Now, we're not going to have any checks here because we're going to assume that the front end will handle that, which it will. But yeah, because again, we really don't want the user accidentally deleting their account. That would be very, very bad. Anyways, so it's been so long uh, since I've done something on the back end, but actually I don't even need to do that. I just need either the username or the primary key. I'm guessing, well, I do already have the user ID up there, but I think I would prefer the username. Okay, and then I also want to change permission classes because I, of course, don't want some rogue random person to be able to delete someone's account. I want to change this to, actually, and by the way, let's not even bother with username. Let's just do the user ID from the request ID because, yeah, that's kind of bad to not do that. But yeah, that's just request.user.username. And then we to go up here and define, I think it's get permissions. It is get permissions. I'm going to delete all of this because I don't feel like dealing with typing. Yeah, so what we'll do here is we'll say if request dot method, I believe, is let me think about this. I think it might be self.request.method is equal to post. Then in that case, we just want to return allow any. But otherwise, we want to return uh, is authenticate. Before I even run this, I'm just gonna go check it. Actually, 'cause I know I have a version of this somewhere that I can just work off of. But I just want to see if I do it on my own. Uh, okay, so I did need get permissions. So let's see. Let's go back up to our register view, which I was actually below this, I think, unless I'm going crazy. Maybe. I don't even know where it is now. Okay, well, it's right here. So this was the correct stuff. And oh, I doinked that up, didn't I? Okay. Go back up here to wherever those permission classes were. Right, this here. And go back down. I think it was 225. It was 225. Okay. Dot lower is not equal to, in this case, it is post because this is register. I'm going to actually make a little note there. This is basically just the register view. Not post, and then we append. Then we append those permissions to it. And then yeah. Okay, so now that we're here, we can just take custom user. Actually, let's do user is equal to get object or 404. I think it should be custom username is equal to username, I believe. I'm not sure about that, but I'm very sure that that is correct. And then let's just user dot delete. And then we can simply return a response of status is equal to status dot hv dot 201. I think no, not 201. 2 for nothing. I mean not nothing, but no content. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Which is great and awesome. And yeah, now let's go ahead and write some tests for that. Just that way we can validate that it actually works before we do anything else. Let's go to accounts, test views, and go to register test case. This will now be account management test case. And go down here, do test delete self. Nothing really fancy going on here. So I won't, yeah, denote anything, but let's go ahead and create a user. So we're going to go back up here, yoink this. Of course, we'll change it a little bit, but go back down to 470 and throw this in here. And then this will be user. If you need to change the username to I should delete. How about that? Actually, you know what? We'll just change it to delete me. That'll be simpler. And then we will use our client to go ahead and actually I need an authenticate client, so I need to make a new client. So auth client is equal to I think just client. I forget. Look at the top here and look. Oh, API client. Okay. Yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've written unit test, but that is okay. All right. Is this force authenticate? I believe so. Kate. Actually, well, no. I should be able to log in with user name and email. So actually, let's see. So username should just be user.username, and password should just be user.password. Actually, in this case, I don't want to do that. I want to do whatever I choose to use it as a password, which in this case is going to be this. Shut back down to like 470, and then there's in here, delete this, and our password will of course be terrible password. Throw it in here. I kind of forgot how to do this, but I think that is right. Let me. Yeah. That's right. Okay, cool, awesome. Then we should just be able to make a request to that endpoint after I added to URLs. I just forgot about that. I just realized. Um, that would be very important. This will be path delete account. I was gonna add permanently, but I feel like that's kind of unnecessary. I think that's kind of obvious. Hopefully, we'll see. I guess. Name is equal to delete account. Maybe a comma there. Wonderful. Dot. So auth client. Oh, auth client dot delete. I'm going crazy. And reverse lazy. Delete account. There's not really. There's just a random thought blurb I have. There's not really any reason to use reverse lazy, but I'm just using it because I could potentially speed up tests by like 0.00001 seconds. So why not? Um, Anyways, now we just want to firstly verify that the status is 204. So the expected status is 204, and then let's assert equal request dot status code and expected status. Then let's also verify that the user has actually been deleted. So let's do custom user dot objects dot objects dot get username is equal to delete me. And well, actually, I think I can do self dot assert raises. I think I can do assert raises. I'm gonna try to use this. Let me pull up documentation because I think it's something along the lines of. Actually, yeah, I really don't know off the top of my head. Um, just like what the format of it is. With okay, so just with. I probably could have figured that out, I guess, but oh well. So with self dot assert raises does not exist, which is custom user dot does not exist. Um, Custom user dot objects dot get username is equal to user dot username. Wonderful, beautiful. Okay. I think I can go ahead and run this test real quick. So let's go over here and do remember the exact command I run for this, but I think it's this. Yeah, I'm going in the right way, in the right direction at least. Counts dot test dot test views dot account management test case. Account manage. Make sure I spell that right. Management test case. Nice. Oh, I need to change that. I need to change my startup command because I should now be using docker compose.f docker compose.dev.yaml up-w because I am running different containers now. So I don't use just the base Docker file anymore, or Docker Compose file, sorry. I use either dev or prod. In this case, I'm dev, so I use dev. Okay, so, oh, okay, so the module exists. I probably just typed that in wrong, I have to imagine. Account management, that looks right so far. Test views. I see if I just remove this, so I do anything. Will it run? Okay, that runs fine. Okay, I assume either I haven't saved it or oh, okay, I shouldn't save it. All right, let's see. Delete account. Did I not save URLs? It's been a while since I've coded, guys. Uh, delete account. Let me see. Yeah, it should just be delete account as far as I know. Ooh, that's fun. Um, let's see. Accounts. Oh, wait. Did I not save that either? Oh my goodness. There's no way I didn't save that either. Nope. Okay, I didn't save that either. Okay. Yeah, it is. Oh, it is a late night for me, isn't it? Okay, I thought it was about like 6:45, but it's actually 7:30. Okay, I know that I know that that's not like actually late, but yeah, that's fun. Okay, let me just commit this that I finished the back end. Finish back end for 115. And then we're going to push that. And on that note, before I fall asleep at the computer, apparently, because I'm not saving files tonight, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. If you have watched this long, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you later.